How to fix mic not working on Discord. Let's get started. First, check mute settings. Launch Discord. At the bottom left corner of Discord, make sure your mic is not muted there. If you are using a headset with a physical mute button, double check that it hasn't been accidentally toggled off. Next, open voice and video settings. Click on the gear icon. Now head over to the option Voice and Video. On the input device, don't leave it set to default. Sometimes Discord chooses the wrong mic. Manually select the microphone you want to use and make sure the input volume is turned up. Now test your mic using the Let's Check feature. If you see movement in the bar, your mic is working. If not, keep going. Next, check input mode and sensitivity. Leave input mode on voice activity unless you prefer push to talk. Just be sure your keybind is set correctly if using that option. When speaking into mic, you should see a solid green bar and input sensitivity. If it's not showing up, scroll down to advanced and try turning off advanced voice activity. Then scroll back up and test your mic again. If the green bar now lights up, your mic is working. If still you are having the issue, scroll to the bottom of the voice and video settings page and click reset voice settings. Confirm the reset, then test your microphone again. Next, check system sound settings. Right-click the sound icon in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar and choose Open Volume Mixer or Sound Settings. Make sure the correct microphone is selected as your input device on your system, not just in Discord. If your mic still does not work after all of these, try using a different microphone or headset to rule out a hardware issue, and that's it. Your mic should now be working on Discord. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.